Alright guys, I've got a humongous storm coming through. I just took a stop down 985 on the TF and up 17 on the crude this morning. Yeah, I lost the video, so now I'm looking. I got stopped out right down here at the bottom, I believe. Just got the computer back up and running. Trying to get my bearings back. Nothing like losing information. I'm still trying to push. I'm gonna take a feeler right here. Boy, they took that one quick. 84.3, want to be 83.3. My old trading buddy doesn't like the thunder very much. I don't know if y'all can hear him panting under my feet. I don't know whatever happened to him. He country dog, always been around guns and everything else, and we moved to Houston and he does not like the thunder. Hey, get buddy. You're shaking the whole table, you're gonna knock my... But he doesn't like it. I think there's hail hitting the window. Let me check on something. Hold on. Alright, let's see if that feeler's gonna work. Looks like it looks like 1179 might be on the table today. I mean, we're already down 13. Just need a little bit of volume to come in. But if this area right here doesn't hold, I do see 1180 even, 1179. There we go. See if this is the last flush here. 84. This divergence should kick in here for pretty soon. That drop was on hardly any volume. Let's see, it was 160 contracts. I mean, come on. So let's see if they step up here now. They just made their last little final low. It's coming into 930. Well, it is 930. Now it's time for them to push it up here. I'm pausing. Alright guys, I'm back. Now, this is what's over my house right now. Alright, alright, I had somebody, since the market's absolutely just absolutely gone dead here, I feel, I had a question of why, sometimes I go in 10 and then, like now, I've got 50 contracts. Well, I got stopped out on the first trade by the tick. Well, right here by the tick. Well, this was your first try, second try, now the third try. First try had a larger bounce. Second try smaller. Third one just barely broke the low on hardly any volume. And you're also building positive divergence this whole time coming in, and usually I call it 1, 2, 3. So the second time, the third time's usually a charm, as long as you can kind of gauge where that bottom is going to be, and also the 610. See how it's declining, and your momentum is steadily building. So there is more to what's going on. Sure, price is going down, but there's momentum. There is stuff coming in behind it that you just can't see. So 1, 2, the third time's a charm. I just call it the 1, 2, 3. Sometimes I'm early, and sometimes it doesn't work, but I'd say I've never pulled a number on it, but I'd say it's over 70% of the time. As you see, we're already 2 points up. Oh, where am I? Now we need to start pulling some retracements and finding out where we might be going. I should have done that already. 67 should have been dumping some right there. Let's see the other one. I'm still waiting on this 67.65, that foot, and see if it forms and we get a nice little push here. I mean, it sure doesn't feel like the market wants to, but we'll just have to see. Alright, I'll pause it and come back. Alright, see if we can get taken this time. It come right up to it, right up underneath the opening range low. 987 did get that push back up. I got to be mindful that thing can roll right back down. Liking where the 4181 starting to. It is coming from the side, but at least it's starting to hug the bottom of the band. I'm taking. See if I can get some at 86. Down 295 on the TF now. Okay, I'll pause it, guys. Okay, coming up into it again. Looking, let's see. We should at least get up to there, so I'm going to split these up. It's not getting good. They're reaching. Let's see. 169, 164, 123. These are the highs. If we get these highs here, I think we'll go ahead and push, but it is really having some trouble here. So I'll pause it. All right, guys, I'm getting tired of waiting. I'm going to take a little bit there. I I'm out of the negative now on the TF. Move that to a 1-point stop. And it keeps holding here. I'm going to pull another one down too. I mean, it's just, to me though, it seems like the pressure's building here. I could totally be wrong, but this 233 is going to roll here, but if it can hold the 0 line. But if these start rolling really hard, it's going to pull this 987 down, just like I was talking about, cut back through the band and come down. Alright, they're making a run again. I'm not going to be a dick for a tick right here. They did take it. See if we get the next target. Just cannot get through these highs. We should though. I mean, you don't want to do. I'm just going to go ahead and take a partial there. Go to break even. But now you see what I was saying. That is kind of how I dictate my size. You know, I did have a little feeler in here. Got a little bounce. Took some profits. Came back down. Ended up getting stopped out because I didn't take all of them. Then 1, 2, 3. Your divergences are all. They're all over the place, and on the 610 it's been building, so that's where it comes into. So the 610 is coming into the 0 line. This could be it. This is a retracement of here. It should probably the 76. So this is the area you've got to be mindful of the turnaround. Okay, I'm gonna leave the next one alone. Looking for 1190. That'd be the next target that I'm looking for, so I'll pause it here. Alright, we're moving up. We do have nice volume today, that's for sure. I mean, we've got million contracts in the ES already. That's pretty impressive. Trying to get those cheap shares, maybe. Those cheap contracts. Would not doubt it. Let's see. You know, we can look at. Just go 1-to-1 if you want to. And that's a simple way to do it right there. You can also do the extension from here. Low was 5.3, high 6.8, low 5.2. There's your 100%. So let's see what reaction we get there. We should get up into here though. 1597's pushing. 4181's hooking up. This is what I want you to keep watching. There's your heel, instep. Do we get a good shove here? Alright, I'm going to pause it. Alright guys, let's see what pullback we get here. A 233 did get extended a little bit. The 610 is running into the zero line. 1597 is getting pulled away a little bit, but we will see if we can hold the 50 or the 61 somewhere around here. If it comes down to the 76, I might add back in that area. But still looking for 1190 before. At least I was looking for about 1190 before a deeper retracement happened. All right, guys. We got 4 contracts left. We're up 4.8 points. Go one ticket below the 190, 1190. And I'll take the 1190 if they give it to me. I did move the stop up 1 point above the entry. Don't want it to come back from here because we are getting that little double push here. 1581 still pushing. The 4181 is starting to turn up, so you know it could come up here and try to meet the band as the band comes down. So I'll pause it. Coming into that area. And turned around. See if they can get this last push up into. Looks like they're reaching here. And we're having a little bit of trouble. Take 89. I'm going to take the 90. Move it to 87. 88.7. Go ahead and start piecing these off. Just starting to roll down. Not saying that it can't go ahead and reach here, but like I said, I've been up all night. And I did take a little bit of a nap, but we'll see how this storm goes. Alright, let's pull a retracement off some of these and see what we might be looking at. I'm going to go right up underneath the opening range low, and I will pause it. Well, I was trying to add here. I should have been ready for that, but I wasn't. So I'll just leave it alone. Alright guys, I'm done for the day. Let's see. 26.8. I've got 17 in oil, 11 in the TF. Did get stopped out, had to fight back a little bit. But that's just part of the beast. I hope everybody had a great day.